Hey there, everyone. Happy Wednesday and happy day before Thanksgiving. I'm King 5 meteorologist Adam Claibon. Much quieter, just patchy areas of drizzle and sprinkles here through the day. And tomorrow, well, there will be more rain. It will be a bit more widespread, but there are a few spots that will see the showers for at least a little while longer than the rest of us. We're going to detail out those areas, tell you what's ahead for you heading into Thanksgiving Day and for the rest of the upcoming holiday weekend. So let's first take a recap of yesterday's storm. Last night's storm too, which brought all of this snow for the mountains. Stevens Pass, a foot of snow. Just over a half a foot there at Snoqualmie Pass. White Pass coming in at 5 inches and 2 inches at Crystal Mountain. Still hoping to get some of these resorts open here sometime soon, but we are going to need more snow. And looking at Snoqualmie Pass, here into your Wednesday evening, not too terribly bad. You can see the roadways are looking very decent, actually. Just a few areas of snow and ice, kind of some slush here and there. Most of that going to be on the shoulder, so no big deal there or either as you get closer to areas around areas such as more of Stevens Pass. Again, looking out here, what we're seeing, you can definitely tell that over the next 7-day stretch, we'll see those temperatures in the low 50s. Eventually, they'll dropping more so into the 40s as a cooler wave of weather is ahead for us heading on into early next week. More stops here at Stevens Pass. Again, a pretty clear road. WashDOT doing a really good job here through the overnight and into today as snow levels have made their way back up to about 5,000, 5,500 feet. So Mother Nature also doing its part to kind of help out with that travel here across the state. White Pass looking a little better there. And then you can see Hurricane Ridge. Well, we have some snow up there too, fresh from yesterday and last night's storm. Up this way around Paradise, if you have any trips or any plans to make your way up this way with maybe some friends or family that are in town. We got some fresh snow there. Should be pretty neat to see. Down this way around Granite Falls, cloudy skies and kind of dreary and damp looking out there. Same for us here around Everett as a few light sprinkles again or drizzle could be around, but the higher chances of rain could come in throughout the overnight, and we'll keep more of that around into the day for tomorrow. Speaking on that, let's take a look at radar, and you can start to see those showers are beginning to pick up farther south around areas closer to Portland, and then we're also going to notice a wave farther north too as this area of low pressure begins to move on in here. On into Wednesday night, we'll see this area of low pressure start to sweep its way on through the region, and then we'll start to notice as that moves on out of here, a pretty chilly pocket of air moving in from the north down into our area to end off the short work week and heading on into the rest of the holiday weekend. Futurecast as we head on into the night showing a few of those showers beginning to pick up over the next few hours. By about 9 to 10 o'clock, though, the Olympic Peninsula should be well into this band of rain. Those of us farther to the east around more the I-5 corridor expected to maybe hold off a little while longer. Maybe a few light showers initially, but really seeing some of the heavier stuff coming in as we go later on into the night and more so tomorrow morning. Here we are at 6 to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we're seeing some of those moderate to steady bands of rain beginning to push on through. At the same time, you're seeing that some of those areas of snow are going to be around, at least for those of us, especially around Stevens Pass, because we do have enough cold air that will be kind of locked in, kind of help to initially bring us some snow, some very wet, slushy snow, but we'll start to see those temperatures climb yet again. Temperatures will be near and above that freezing point, so limited accumulations with this system as it comes on through, but definitely higher terrain above 5,000 feet. We'll see better chances of getting some really good accumulations out of this as it moves on through. We'll continue on into more of tomorrow afternoon and really into tomorrow evening. This is when we get this area of low pressure to begin to spin on in here, and that's what's really going to help to put down another wave of some steady rain on into Thursday evening and Thursday night. This is at about 4 to 5 o'clock, and we'll continue to have that around into the first part of the night as that area of low pressure spins on through, before eventually heading off towards the south and to the east. You can get some clearing once we head on into Friday morning, maybe some patchy fog. I don't know if we'll have enough clearing to help really to develop that, but there could be some spots around to start off your day on Friday. But we should see a little more sunshine too as we head on into Friday afternoon. Should be a pretty good day for us. Maybe just a little cooler once we head on into Saturday though, once this system comes in, and that really helps to usher in the much cooler air that will be around. And there are going to be some lighter showers at that point too. We could see a little more mountain snow as that moves on by. All right, so the additional rain to come here with that system heading into Thanksgiving Day. Possibly it looks like between about a half an inch up to an inch of rain, which it looks like the majority of the rain will stay farther south with that area of low pressure sweeping on through. That's what's going to bring us the higher rain totals down across areas around South Sound and areas farther south, the southwest interior, the south coast. All of those spots looking to get in maybe at least an inch of rain, if not more. The farther north you go, we'll keep a lot of those totals near, if not a little less than a half of an inch. As far as snow totals for us, we're going to see those start to pick up a little bit here with this initial system. Stevens Pass, again, probably a better chance of you getting up to about 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches out of this. But as we continue on, you can see the higher snow levels that are going to be with us, not really going to help out with any additional snow as this moisture is going to be around. Snoqualmie, a lot of that will melt, so I don't even know if we'll get that inch or not as this system comes on by. Now, Paradise up around more of Mount Baker, we could see a good amount of snow. We're a bit higher, so that's going to help us out just a bit more as far as some of the moisture that's going to sweep on through. And then looking after Thanksgiving for the rest of the holiday weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, if you're heading out Black Friday shopping on Friday, again, just a few showers and a few areas of mountain snow and rain, as things are going to be much quieter. Definitely more sunshine ahead for us as we head into the day on Friday. And then by the time we do roll into the weekend, a few showers will be around generally during the morning, heading on into the day there, probably seeing more dry times. The evening, though, better chances of seeing some of that rain coming on through yet again. And that should be out of here by the time you get ready to start off your day on Sunday, and that should be a partly sunny and a chilly day ahead for us there. And then temperatures, yeah, they're going to start to drop. We're talking more 40s for highs starting up on Saturday and keeping that around into Sunday and Monday. The average high, 50 degrees, and we're going to stay below that for a while. On the 2nd of December, 46. We're only getting up into the 50s by the 5th, so that's going to be late next work week as we top off at 52 degrees. For tonight, expect those lows to drop down into the low to mid 40s. Not much of a drop off tonight. We have a lot of clouds in place, and that will keep things a bit milder. And then highs tomorrow eventually starting to make their way back up near the 50-degree mark. Blaine up to 48 degrees, 49 in Orcas Island, 50 in Mount Vernon. We'll see highs in the upper 40s to low 50s down this way around Snohomish County as well. Camino and Whidbey Island too. Expect to see the rain for a good portion of the day. Farther south, here we are in King County, the Kitsap Peninsula, kind of around the same numbers, maybe just slightly warmer by a degree or two as we get into the low 50s around Issaquah and in Maple Valley. Auburn topping off at 52 degrees. Des Moines hitting 51. Bremerton up to 49 degrees. We'll hit a high of 52 in Olympia, around 52 in Tacoma. Lower 50s around Puyallup, Eatonville at 54 degrees. Farther south, if you're traveling down this way, maybe Centralia, Castle Rock, Longview. Now, we're going to see those highs in the low 50s, with low 50s out towards the south coast and farther north as well. Low 50s for Neah Bay, Claylock, Tahola, and in Tulips. Your forecast over the next 7-day stretch. Thanksgiving Day, a wet one. We'll call for rain at times, not a complete washout or a complete drencher, but definitely going to have to dodge a lot of rain. That's going to be moving through the area. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all starting to show that cooling trend that we're going to see on into the beginning part of December, which we're going to keep those highs in the 40s as we head into next work week and see a few of those showers around as we head on into next Monday and Tuesday. As far as travel is concerned, again, though, if you're heading across the passes tonight or maybe early tomorrow morning, no winter weather really to be concerned with, or at least not a lot of it, so that's not going to really be much of a difficult situation for you. But the rain, always not fun to drive in either, so do give yourself some extra time for that as well. Okay, everyone, we'll have a wonderful Wednesday night, and tomorrow, Thanksgiving, have a tremendous day for your Thanksgiving Day with family, friends, and whatever you might be doing. We'll talk to you soon.